every day. Wash your hands frequently. Wear clean clothes. Keep your room neat and tidy. Share things with your siblings. Get ready for school yourself. Listen to your teacher carefully. Do not make noise in the class. Do your homework on time. Have a playtime. Throw waste in the dustbin. Trim your nails regularly. Drink plenty of water. Eat vegetables and fruits. Help your mother in her work. Do exercise regularly. Give thanks, be grateful. Do not hurt animals. Help to elders. Keep your surroundings clean. Pray to God. Habit of sleeping early. Thank you for watching. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பாய் சுட்டி.